Hey, what's up, guys? It's Kiki, aka Garage Next Door, and this is part 2 of the cheapest W220 in Canada. Alright, so we're gonna be working on the interior. We're gonna be cleaning out the interior. As you can see, you probably can't see right now, but I'm probably gonna put in a B-roll. It's very, 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 very dirty inside, as you would have seen from the last episode. So we're gonna be restoring the interior, the leather, cleaning the floor. Also, the driver's seat currently doesn't move, and there's a couple lights that doesn't work as well. 2 indicators on each mirror doesn't work. I think it's the DCM, aka the door control module. So we're gonna try to replace that. If you haven't seen the last video, we picked this up for almost close to nothing, almost for the amount of a cell phone bill. And well, I might as well say the amount of a cell phone. So this will be the new Benz. We have a name in the works for it soon. So we're gonna be restoring this. This is a 4MATIC S500, has all the gadgets, techniques, and everything like that. I'm really looking forward to getting this on the road. So beautiful black. We already have 2 fenders for it. So if you guys haven't seen the last video before, we were talking about that. So we already have new fenders for it. So let me just find the key. All right, cool. Absolute brand new tires, of course. So all right. Okay, so yeah, it might not look too dirty on camera, but as you can probably imagine, that these seats are really filthy. A lot of black on them and everything like that. And yesterday I did clean the steering wheel a little bit. Got that done. Got the center console cleaned a little bit. Don't mind the mess, guys. That's all of us from last time. This is the door control module that like we were just talking about. So we're probably gonna have to pop off the wood grain. There should be a couple screws back there, and pop this panel off, take that off, and the module should just come up no problem. So hopefully that fixes the case of this seat being all the way back. That controls the windows not going up, going down, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's check the back seat. Yeah, I got a bunch of stuff back here, so we're most likely gonna take that all out. Obviously, we're gonna take that all out. We're gonna get that all situated so we can clean the leather, do a little bit of vacuuming front and back, get the most that we can, and yeah, and then we will. The next probably part will be the door switch. So that will probably be either included in this video or the next video. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get all this stuff out.
Later.
Okay, so clearly this guy had a bit of a problem. The person that last drove this had a bit of a problem. Bunch of papers, bunch of bottles. Like it was probably about like 8 water bottles in there. Guy was probably super dehydrated. I don't know what this is, but some kind of form of a pill. It's a bunch of crazy stuff, man. So with one touch, I swear to you, I can make this disappear in 2 seconds. 1, 2, bing! And just when you thought Buddy didn't have any receipts or anything that he done to the car, so bruh took it to Walmart to get where he got the brand new tires installed. I'm not gonna show his name. I'm gonna try my best not to show his name, just for the privacy of that person. So let's see, old tires safe and white walls nope. Tire inflation. Got some parts from Rock Auto. Let's see, performance edge, and driver headlight is out, and that was the left side. Guess what? I replaced it. I got that bulb for $7. Plus, it was disconnected. The things that some people, I don't know, really pay for is just crazy. Alright guys, so here's the final results. So we vacuumed the carpet, did all that, vacuumed it, shampooed it a little bit with some stuff, random stuff. So we got that, a little bit of dish detergent and stuff, like whatever you have at home, just to get all that dark stuff out and everything like that. So yeah, like there's still a little bit there. I'm gonna finish it up a little bit. As you can see, the comparison, I'm just gonna go back a little bit. The comparison from this to this, you can still see there's some dirt there, some little bit of dark stuff. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna get that all taken care of. Excuse me for the tripod. So we're gonna get all down there and everything like that. We got the middle done. The middle looks perfect. Versus like from before. So we're gonna keep going, probably get the back seats and everything like that, get as much as we can. Then we're probably gonna do this last, probably gonna take it out, get it into the sunlight or such and such like that, and yeah, we're gonna restore this the way it's supposed to be. Alright, let's do it. Shoot! Hey guys, look who I found. Little buddy here. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, he's just chilling. I don't know what he's doing, but yeah, I guess he's just helping me out to clean up all this mess and everything. So yeah. Do y'all want some candy?